Hey folks, so a question that I get frequently in workers' comp cases is a client calls me and they say that they have been offered another job and they want to take it. Their question is, should they take that job while they're still on workers' compensation? My answer to that question is yes. They can take those jobs, but they have to be very careful about it because there are some pitfalls associated with it. Now, going back to the beginning, a workers' compensation case, the employer has two primary obligations. Number one, they have to pay for your medical care. Number two, if you're unable to work, or if the doctor orders you off work, or if the employer can't accommodate restrictions, they have to pay you for the time off. Now, whether you can work or not doesn't matter when it comes to the obligation to provide medical care. So you're going to get medical care whether you work or you can't work. If you take another job, you have to be certain that the job that you take is within the restrictions that the doctor has imposed upon you, and you have to follow those to an absolute T. Uh, the the consequences of not following the orders can be that if you do sustain a new injury to the same body part, or if you aggravate that body part in any way, shape, or fashion, then all of a sudden you're going to have two insurance companies, one for the old employer, one for the new employer, pointing fingers at one another, trying to blame whatever your current condition is on either the old injury or the new injury. And as you can imagine, you're the one that's stuck in the middle, and that's no fun. So when I do tell employees that they can take additional work, they need to understand that if they do so, there is a risk that if they sustain a new injury, even if they do follow the restrictions, if they sustain a new injury to the same body part, it's going to create lots of headaches for the workers' compensation case. So it's certainly possible. Obviously, financial incentives can be huge. And certainly some jobs, the risk of getting injured can be much lower than other jobs. So all those things need to be taken into consideration before a decision is made. But technically, yes, it is possible to change jobs and still remain entitled to medical care under Indiana's Workers' Compensation Act. Thanks so much. Have a great day.